Hello everyone, my name is Manashri. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 24 July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are the Ganga's message and return to troubles. We'll discuss the first topic of the editorial page in our today's video, that is the Ganga's message. So, before getting into our topic, let's have a small look on the second topic given. Return to troubles. Brexit was never going to be easy and should not compromise the Good Friday Agreement. The British government's demand to renegotiate parts of the Northern Ireland Protocol of the Brexit Agreement with the EU has set the stage for another round of clashes between London and Brussels just 7 months after the agreement came into force. Prime Minister Boris Johnson's government now says the protocol, which was accepted by both sides to avoid physical and economic barriers between Northern Ireland, a part of the UK, and the Republic of Ireland, an EU member, hampers trade inside the UK. When the Brexit agreement was signed in 2020, Mr. Johnson agreed to set up checks at the British side for goods entering Northern Ireland. This meant, in order to avoid an economic barrier between the two islands, Britain effectively set up one between the British mainland and the island of Ireland. Well, okay, I've just read more. So this means coming to the London or like a British government, so Good Friday. For this is the return of troubles. It is the topic which is based on an event of Good Friday, where all the British governments and the Brexit agreements that were taken between the Northern Ireland protocols, okay, and different states, means different countries, okay, means the British government, this has taken a part of the Northern Ireland protocol for the Brexit agreement with the EU, and it has went on the another round of the clashes that were taken between the London and Brussels. Not Brazil, it's Brussels. And so in just 7 months, not 7 years, 7 months, so after this agreement has came into the force, so Prime Minister Boris Johnson, he has taken the government, and now he says the protocol that he has accepted that the both sides to avoid the physical and economic barrier members, like between the Northern Ireland and the UK, and also including the Republic of Ireland. So the EU member, he has hampered a trade inside the UK, and when the Brexit agreement was signed in the year of 2020. So Mr. Johnson, he has agreed to check all the checkups, and like the Britishers or whoever, the two Ireland states and the Britannian who were going to the mainland and going to the island, like the island of Ireland, okay. So this is the whole topic going on as usual in the second one. Well, let's get into our today's topic, the Ganga's message. India must take its laws on waste seriously to stop microplastics pollution. So Ganga river, if there's any waste, they are just going and throwing that waste in Ganga river. The river is getting spoiled and it may causes pollution, even water pollution. So there is a message from Ganga, means not the river, they're nearby, that India must get a new law, and it should take a situation, means it should take a focus on the waste that was in India, and so that to stop the microplastic pollution, means the plastic pollution like water pollution or whatever that is insisting of. The Ganga might have stood witness to many stages of India's civilization, as Mahatma Gandhi once noted, but in recent decades it has become a conduit for sewage, solid waste, industrial effluents, and other pollutants. See, here the meaning of the word conduit. It means channel, pipe, or canal. Conduit means channel, pipe, or canal. And effluents, it means a liquid waste. Okay, outflow and discharge. Simply liquid waste. Okay. So the Ganga, it has many stages of India's civilization. So once, this has noted by once Mahatma Gandhi has said. But while coming to the recent decades, the sewage means the pipe that was for sewage and solid waste, industrial liquid waste for everything, and like other pollutants. This is depressing, though not surprising, therefore, that a new study by an NGO has found evidence of a modern day scourge, microplastics in the river, with the highest concentrations in Varanasi and Kanpur, followed by Haridwar. What the data show is the alarming presence of plastic filaments, fibers, fragments, and in two places, microbeads with their position, pointing to both industrial and secondary broken down plastics from articles of everyday use. They range from tires, clothing, food packaging, bags, cosmetics with microbeads, garland covers, and other municipal waste. Well, let's see the meanings in this page. Brazen, it means bold, shameless, or unashamed. Bold, shameless, or unashamed. Okay. The finding of significant levels of microscopic particles invisible to the naked eye at below 300 micrometers to 5 millimeters in the country's holiest river calls into question the progress of two high priority, well-funded missions of the NDA government, Swachh Bharat to deal with solid waste and Namami Gange to rid the water river and its pollution. Surprisingly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's support for the river cleanup, originally scheduled to be implemented by December 2020, has not saved it from serious deficits. Official data indicate that 97 Ganga towns may be discharging about 750 million liters of untreated sewage a day into the year and the river. An environmental activist, Guru Das Agrawal, died in 2018 after fasting in protest, and his letter to Mr. Modi did not change the situation.